Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade donuts. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Don't forget 1 cup of warm milk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, gradually add the warm milk, eggs, and melted butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a floured surface. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place it in a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create your classic donut shapes and the holes. Heat your oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. After frying, let your donuts cool slightly on a wire rack. While they're still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 2 cups of powdered sugar with about 4 tablespoons of milk. You can add a touch of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Dip each donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Serve these delightful treats immediately and enjoy your homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.